what an exchange from both fighters.
Nietes getting the best of it. Sabi ng father ko, Nietes is moving well. And he should keep moving.
Yan ang prognosis ni Dr. Donaire.
Yes. Dr. Donaire. Dodong Donaire.
Yeah, from my father.
Yes. Maganda lalaki pa.
Round number 3. Donnie Ahas Nietes in the purple trunks. Samantalang black and red naman ng trunks nitong si Moises Fuentes. So far, the right straight of Fuentes, medyo nakakatakot.
Good body shot by Fuentes that time.
He's been zeroing in on body of Nietes.
And Nietes is doing well by ducking underneath with his hands up. Ganyan. And then getting out. Good straight. Good jab.
Good combination by Fuentes.
Oh, good 1-2 for Nietes. They're going back and forth. Good 1-2.
Good right hand by Nietes.
Yan ang kailangan ni Nietes is in and out. Yan, jab, 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 in and out. Balikan niya.
Right in front of us. Fuentes trying to walk to the body.
And even holding pag nasa corner siya.
Yes.
You don't want Fuentes to be able to push around in the ropes and land his punches. Kahit sa kamay yun, masakit yun.
And look at the way Nietes crouches. He crouches so low, then suddenly lifts with that right hand.
One thing that Fuentes is doing really well, alam niya na bababa si Nietes, so the body shot is there. Like that.
We did notice that. Once he crouches, he goes to the body. Itong si Fuentes. So labanan ng estratehiya ang ating nakikita dito.
This is good kasi si Fuentes, hindi lang sa malakas, din kagaya ni Teco Petla kanina, na suntok lang suntok. Actually, may timing itong si Fuentes. At alam niya na bababa si Nietes, kaya nandun yung uppercut sa katawan. But Nietes is doing well by moving and keeping his hands up. Yan.
Yan, taas ang kamay.
Yan ang importante, is to go, to crouch, at saka using that jab. Kailangan yung jab, alis sa corner.
Huwag magtatagal sa lubid. At nakikita mo, hinahamon ni Fuentes si Nietes to stop running. He's zeroing in the body. Oh, good exchange. Right hand by Nietes.
Baka pagurin si Nietes sa ganitong style. Kasi nasa harapan palagi at malakas yung muntok ng body shot itong si Fuentes.
Alam mo, nilalay po sa aksyon ni Fuentes yung bodega ni Nietes.
And he's more aggressive. Fuentes is, like you said, Ronnie.
Yes.
He's a slow starter. Nakikita mo every round, bumibilis na si good uppercut. Or hook.
Magandang kaliwa mula kay Nietes.
And nag-step back si Fuentes nun
Again.
Good combination by Nietes.
I think he hurt him.
10 seconds.
Yes.
I think he hurt him.
I think he hurt him in the body.
I think he did hurt tumigil si Fuentes at hindi na nakapag-capitalize si Nietes.
Time for the Cobra Lakas Punch of the Round. This special is co-presented by Cobra Energy Drink. Lakas ng Pinas.
Akala natin lahat ng card, patong-patong ang interest.
Sa BPI Express Credit Card, no interest on new purchases for the first month. When you change the way you think about credit, you can get the best out of life. Make the best happen, BPI.
Ang mahusay na mandirigma, kinondisyon ng tama. Thunderbird Platinum, may tamang sangkap sa pagkondisyon at taglay na Cellplex. Pampalakas ng muscle, pampatibay ng buto at pampataas ng resistensya sa oras ng laban. Singbagsik ng leon, singbilis ng agila. Thunderbird Platinum, pagdating sa paluan, di mauunahan.
When you reach for your goals, you give it your all. So you need to take care of your body because it has its limits. For strength to go on, replenish your body right with Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Ha! One more round.
With hard work and heart, no matter who you are or what you do, your best is within reach.
Reach for it!
Summit Natural Drinking Water, the official bottled water of the Philippine national athletes.
Sa mga pasaning mabibigat, binigyan mo kami ng lakas.
Sa buong araw na pagkayod, tuloy-tuloy kang hindi napagod. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng pangmatagalan. Motolite, trusted na pangmatagalan.
Sila ang mga nanay na handang gawin ang trabahong pangtatay.
Araw-araw ka nagdadasal na sana, Lord, walang mangyari sa akin.
Opo.
Sa ngalan ng pamilya at maayos na buhay.
Lord, ibaba niyo na kami dito.
Rated K, Linggo ng Gabi. The most talked about affair.
Nicole.
Exposes the biggest scandal on Philippine TV. The Legal Wife. Ang anak ng Bohol.
Ako si Nonito Donaire.
The Filipino Flash. Muling magbabalik para itaas ang bandila ng Pilipinas. Laban sa mandirigma ng South Africa, Simpiwe Vieca. Let's get ready to rumble! Donaire versus Vieca. Ngayong Hunyo sa ating ABS-CBN.
Aksyon mula sa round number 3. Isang kanan mula kay Donnie Nietes. Napaatras si Fuentes doon, oh.
Kanan.
At ito yung estratehiya sa lubid. Fuentes bombarding the body. Nietes with the 1-2 and then layo na sa lubid.
Round number 4.
Nietes need to sustain his stamina.
Tama.
Because umagreso na tong si Fuentes.